this is Jimmy from Carter Fitness. Today I'm going to show you a nice little ab circuit that is going to work on the stability of your abs. Strength and stability kind of go hand in hand, but this is going to be more of kind of your shaking, kind of you feel everything engaging. It's not going to be like crunches where you're getting them burning and it kind of feels like the air is knocking out of you. Now this is important because a lot of us hang on our lower erectors a lot of the time just from kind of flaring into the extension here because of tight hip flexors, different tight muscles. So this is going to help engage this, concentrate on your breathing, and kind of chill your lower back out. So the first one's going to be a plank, straight arm on the stability ball, and I'll show you a way you can make it a little bit harder if it's easy. Now, if you haven't done the straight arm on the stability ball, it's quite challenging. You'll feel a lot of shakiness. So what it'll look like is put your hands directly under your shoulders, stacked, step back, hands on the side of the ball, then back. Usually 15 to 30 seconds is good. If you want to make it a progression, you can do slow mountain climbers on it where you're alternating. So it looks like this. Back and forth. Right after you do that for about 15 to 30 seconds, you're going to go to your knees, put your forearms and your hands on the stability ball, cross your feet, then you're going to roll the ball out. So it would be similar to an ab wheel, but a little bit easier. You can kind of control the movement. So it's out. Pause at the end, establish good balance. If it's too easy, what you do is you can either scoot the ball away or scoot your hands down or both. Then you can make it a little bit more challenging. Extending out further, taking on more body weight. I like to do this one for time around 30 to a minute. Really concentrating on the nice good pause on the way out. Then lastly is dead bugs. So dead bugs is when you extend, there's 100 ways you can do it, but today we'll use the stability ball. You're going to extend the ball out while you extend the leg. Now it's really important that you think about driving your lower back down into the ground or the surface that you're on, and think about taking a breath through your diaphragm before. So you're filling your belly, driving your lower back down, and going into extension. Now, if you're doing these right, it shouldn't take that many. So I usually do 4 to 6 each leg, and it'll look like this. Usually around 3 circuits, do about a minute rest in between. Let me know how it is.